How's it going, everybody? Been looking forward to this product for quite some time now. Topps Museum Collection Baseball 2015. We got Mike Trout on the cover with his O face. And here's what every box contains: on-card auto, autograph relic, a quad relic, and a jumbo relic. Got this from Chris at Cards Infinity. And you guys should know the setup for this. Swoop. It's 4 mini boxes in here. The struggle is real. It'd be a lot easier if I had. Alright. If I had a box cutter. Alright. Let's pop that sucker open. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, let's pop these out. Okay, none of them feel any heavier than usual. This is gonna take a little while just because of the packaging. Nope. That's the first one. I'm just gonna open them all up. So go ahead and fast forward if you like. Nope, just a normal one. How's guys' day doing? Doing well? That is awesome. I'm having a good day so far, you know. It's a little bit dreary out. Holy cow. And this one, last one, I felt the heaviest, but you never know. And this, I actually got box 10 from Chris, if anyone really cares. We'll save this one for last for sure. So let's go in order. Bottom to top. How I opened them. Museum Collection. Pull one from the back. Got a Adrian Gonzalez. I like the parallels this year. They really pop. The green. Hyun-Jin Ryu. Okay, this is on-card autograph. Daniel Norris. Jacoby Ellsbury. And Michael Wacha. Alright, that's not a bad one. 60 of 199. Could get much worse on-card autographs. Alright, you guys can see Jock Peterson, copper, if it'll focus. Okay. Jackie Robinson base, Hanley Ramirez, Mark Teixeira, alright, getting a bunch of Yankees. What is this? Got a Rocky. Alright, we can see that's jumbo. Nolan Arenado. It's a 9 of 10. 2 pinstripes. I don't know why this is numbered to 10. But, these are really nice cards, if you can't already tell. Alright, we're still missing the quad and the, the quad and the relic with the auto. That's a thick shit. Another green. These are nice. I want to get a blue one. Mike Moustakas, 146 and 199. Try to move this over here. Kershaw. This is nice. We'll check and see what that is after. What is this? Wade Boggs. Alright. A Yankee. And yeah, this is Nolan Ryan. Nolan Ryan. Quad bats. Wade Boggs on the Yankees. They could have easily put him on the Red Sox. I know he's on the Red Sox on some cards, I think. Okay. Not a bad quad. Definitely not. So we know what's in here. Thick card in there as well. David Wright. Bulls. Shin-Soo Choo. Mike Schmidt. Oh no. I know who this is. No, it's Mike Napoli. Alright. Mike Napoli, triple jersey auto. Numbered 120 of 249. So, kind of just an average box. The Waka. The Napoli. The Nolan Arenado to 10. And the Wade Boggs. So, I will definitely be doing this again. Not sure when, but I love museum collections. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.